Buenos dias, Mona.
Buenos dias.
Will you say opposite words to some of the words?
Yes.
Good job. Up,
Up. Down.
open,
Open. Close.
tall,
Short.
yes,
No.
happy,
Sad.
big,
Small.
good,
Bad.
fast,
Slow.
fat, fat, thin.
Thin.
It's okay. Hot.
Cool.
Good job. In,
Out.
sit,
Stand.
day, day. Night.
Night.
It's okay. Sleep.
Wake up.
Good job. Start.
Stop.
Good job. More.
Little.
Good. Come.
Go.
Go. Near.
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 Opposite. This flower pot is very near to me. That is very
Fly.
far. Very good.
Flower.
Fear.
Flower.
Courage.
Cover.
True.
Two.
True. Opposite.
Two opposite.
False.
False.
Clean.
Clean.
Opposite.
Dirty.
Good job. Fresh.
Fresh.
Stale.
Stale.
Ripe.
Wipe.
Raw.
Wow.
Noise.
Noise. Silence.
Good job. Make.
Walk.
Break. Very good. Left.
White.
Front.
Back.
Give.
Take.
Throw.
Catch.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Bitter.
Picture.
Good job. If you are wrong, you need to learn again, okay? You can, okay? Learn and come back, okay? Appreciate yourself. Appreciate, clap yourself. Good job. Have a nice day, Mona.